Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like giving a brain to machines. These smart machines can learn from data and make decisions. In factories, AI is changing how things are made. AI can control machines, analyze information, and even predict the future. This helps factories work smarter, not harder. The result? Factories are using less energy and saving money. AI is making industries more efficient and sustainable. Imagine if your car knew when it needed an oil change, before any problems arose. This is the power of AI and predictive maintenance. It's not just about cars. This technology is revolutionizing industries across the board. That's what predictive maintenance does for factory equipment. By using advanced algorithms and machine learning, AI can foresee potential issues before they become major problems. AI-powered sensors monitor machines in real time. These sensors collect vast amounts of data continuously, providing a constant stream of information about the machine's health. They track things like temperature and vibration. Any anomalies in these readings can indicate potential issues that need attention. This data helps AI predict when a machine might break down. By analyzing patterns and trends, AI can forecast failures with remarkable accuracy. Instead of waiting for a costly failure, factories can perform maintenance exactly when it's needed. This proactive approach saves time and money. This prevents wasted energy from malfunctioning equipment. Efficient machines consume less power, contributing to overall energy savings. It also reduces downtime and extends the life of machinery. With AI-driven maintenance, factories can ensure their operations run smoothly and efficiently, maximizing productivity and minimizing disruptions. Factories use a lot of energy. They are bustling hubs of activity, with machines running continuously, lights illuminating vast spaces, and various processes consuming power around the clock. AI is helping them become much more efficient. By integrating advanced algorithms and machine learning, factories can now optimize their operations in ways that were previously unimaginable. Smart energy management systems use AI to optimize energy consumption. These systems continuously monitor energy usage and make real-time adjustments to ensure that no energy is wasted. AI analyzes data from sensors all over the factory. These sensors collect a vast array of information, from machine performance to environmental conditions, providing a comprehensive view of the factory's operations. It looks at things like weather patterns and production schedules. By understanding external factors and internal demands, AI can make informed decisions about energy usage. Using this information, AI adjusts energy usage in real time. This dynamic approach ensures that energy is used efficiently, adapting